Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. This bright, sharp, sweet condiment comes together in 5 minutes. It combines the tang of fresh apples with the heat of horseradish for a sauce that works with pork, braised meats, and holiday dishes. This sauce is all about balance. The sweetness of the apple softens the bite of the horseradish, so you get heat without harshness. It's a classic pairing for pork and shows up a lot around Easter and holiday meals. And the best part, it's beginner-friendly and only takes a few minutes. Here's everything you need. Granny Smith apples for acidity, cider vinegar to keep the apples bright, prepared horseradish for heat, paprika for color and depth, and a splash of white wine to thin the sauce. Salt and pepper to finish. Simple ingredients, big flavor. If you like the recipes you see here, please subscribe and like. Start by peeling and grating your apples. As soon as they're grated, moisten them with the cider vinegar. That keeps the color fresh and adds tang. Next, fold in the horseradish and paprika. Add the white wine to loosen the mixture to the consistency you like. You can pulse this in a blender for a smooth finish, or keep it rustic and hand mix if you prefer chunky sauce. Here's where this sauce really proves itself. It works beautifully with pulled pork sandwiches, apple Dijon coleslaw, holiday turkey glazes, and classic roast pork. You can even create cocktails with apple horseradish, mixed with one of your choice. Whiskey, vodka, bourbon, schnapps, or a non-alcoholic base for a sharp, refreshing kick. This is a simple, bright condiment that adds a punch to almost anything you pair it with. Try it once, and you'll keep it in with your favorite recipes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more foundational sauces. Please do not forget to subscribe.